start grabbing.
7th round on the 4 rings. Right now, Boxer does have the air advantage right now. If any of these tanks are eliminated from rain, or by rain, the 5 boxers are this rain, then that's the end of the ground course. I think the Boxer, with his score competition, and of course the Master Vikings that he has, 67, only 12 on the other side, but 13 back cruisers for rain.
And now we see Boxer's money stockpiling back up again. Are out of energy once again. More Boxer. Doesn't rain. And we're going to the expansion. Oh no, he's not. He's actually going into the main. Making himself a little bit more going to the doors, clearing out the turrets. We see a huge win about 13 out right now. But the 57 Vikings are now coming forward and they are literally quickly and right again. Let me flick on his back. What the Anaheim cannons take down. Towards the other course, you don't want to be clustering those Vikings against the secret missiles.
No, you do not. And coming in now, fours coming out of the range as well, realizing the need to transition over to heavy ground units. Still an enormous rate of count here in the 4th range. And of course, that's making the point tension absolutely crucial.
Listen, Boxer suck for getting a start around 2000. We have just passed 1 hour and 1 minute.
Game 1 is longer than most sets. An hour and 1 minute so far.
Looks like he will be able to escape the secret missiles today. Boxer is not taking the hit.
I had no idea. What is this? Boxer vs. Rain. Boxer vs. Rain is crazy.
This interview is totally ridiculous. Right now,
I hope we stay here until midnight. That'd be pretty sick.
He's got just 6 now, so it's quite a bit now.
He's got 19 Ravens dropping down to 6. Looks like we'll get another engagement. Has to be careful. He's going to get still on the field. 4 fours, 8 fours currently on the field.
It's almost lined out to we're getting real close. There's a few medals over here on the other side of the down to 5th. Close.
Still marinating our judgment.
It is huge.
And now it looks like Rain finally breaking into the main Boxer, starting to advance forward. But if he can get it off guard, Rain's going to pull a huge plan off Point Metro. 1 straight out the turn. Oh, he is going to be picked off in seconds. Everything's right now for Boxer.
It's done as Boxer to send his orbital back over, continue to get his minerals out of the banks and certainly start.
Just slide it out a little bit. I don't want you to miss one full much.
Right with this around 190 almost constantly. There's some unit getting killed and being rebuilt all the time. A lot of force here in the middle.
Wow. Here comes the Point defense from. Oh, another Yamato gets planted. Now we start to see Yamato's incoming. For Rain. Rain really darting forward. Oh no, Boxer loses the ghost. No EMP possible now. And they are the Yamato going down. He's not 1 Viking at a time. He's with those secret missiles. Huge numbers. Very tight fighter situation. Now we see the big team. This could be the final battle. The Ravens on the wrong side. Trying to move forward. He can get a big point.
Yes, they did. The supply suddenly plummeted down to 37 Boxer, 103 for Rain, and with no more Viking advantage here for
defense throws that he needed. He now has a commanding position. He is all the way up. At 117 43 a box. Still maybe trying to get some sort of hero view off the option. Very hard for boxing.
Yeah, Boxer at this point trying to get on some marauders and battles right now. But Vikings have landed here for rain. He's inside the main base up. Boxer is trying to pick away at all the buildings, leaves Boxer absolutely nothing. They're having a pop up right here. Immediately get targeted behind those doors. And of course, a lot of
under fire at all angles. And it's just going to be a slow learning language to a game where he's waiting to keep the game. It's going to take incredible moving abilities by Boxer to stay in this game. The Army Coast Academy doesn't have a new producer. There's no more factories for Boxer.
Oh, so he is really in trouble. Reigns goes doing their damage with the nuke. All that's left is his very, very, very low health Vikings. I'm not sure what is going through Boxer's head right now, but obviously he thinks there may be something he can do. The supply would tell me a different story. 33 for Boxer, 121 for Reigns. Boxer's his mortals now being sent off to the corners, trying to save every structure that he possibly can.
He wants this game to last.
Here's a very weird thought. Boxer might be able to force a draw if his opponent was mined out. I mean, if you're in Boxer's position, you just float to the corners, have a superior Viking count, and then buy some time. But I don't know if that's going to be the case. I mean, Boxer may have tried to force a draw earlier, but now his unit count is just a little too low. And Reigns is going to catch us off guard, and there's a huge air game. Incredible damage. Boxer down to 11 food.
11 food. I think that's pretty much going to be the last. Yeah, right. He's going to send the Vikings over to the corner there. How many Vikings? It's like 5 against 5. Yeah, there's a raid now as well. So one defense could come into play. Raid still has about 50 in the bank. There's still some minerals that he can get. Still knocked down over here in this one. Everything on Boxer's side is completely money.
Yeah, it's a huge for no chance of Boxer being able to live on the low ground. It's one of them and trying to set up where Boxer uses it. But it is unaware how many more resources Reigns actually has unmild and certainly in the US. 8 food.
Yep, 8 to 111 right now. Reigns with a lot of elements and mutates has basically gone back to an all-ground army. Is not making any additional Vikings. As of yet, but he's got 5 on the way, so that may be able to seal the deal. Here come the Vikings. There are 3 right now, off patrol. There's the Scans, going to quickly move back. He's got to be careful here. He's going to get Reigns close doors. That's not going to be good.
And Boxer actually inches away from being able to force a draw as his opponent is lined up on gas. But he needs to be very careful. We do see a lot of little dropping for Reigns. You were careful on that one line up.
And with that one Viking, however, there are 7 more from Reigns on the way out to supply this Viking.
And there he is. That's the first game in sports game. You see, that's 1 hour and 12 minutes. And it's kind of incredible to think that Boxer actually being able to pull off a draw. It never occurred to me because I guess I'm a Brood War player. That you actually have gas in StarCraft too. I mean, that means that if Boxer just had maybe 10 Vikings.